Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about isotopes. And the question you may be asking, what is an isotope? Well, isotopes are elements with the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons. And since they have a different number of neutrons, this alters or changes their atomic mass number. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So let's say we have carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. So I'll write it on this chart, and make sure you set up your chart as well. So you'll see it two different ways. You'll see it written out as in carbon 12. You'll also see C12. It's the same thing. That C is the symbol for carbon. And then let's put carbon 13, and we'll put C13. And let's put carbon 14. And you'll also see it as C14. The three things that we're going to be looking at is the number of protons, neutrons, and the resulting mass number. So if you look on your periodic table, if you look right above the C, if you locate carbon and look right above the C, you'll see a number. That number stands for the number of protons. It's also the atomic number, which is the identity of an element. Each element has a different atomic number, therefore they have a different number of protons. So the atomic number for carbon is 6. 6 for the atomic number and 6 for the number of protons. So protons is 6 here, it's 6 here, it is 6 here. Now, our mass number is actually easy because this number behind the word or the symbol represents the mass number. So for carbon 12, mass number is 12, carbon 13 is 13, and then carbon 14 is 14. So now, in order to find our number of neutrons, we have to remember protons plus neutrons give us our mass number, or we could say our mass number minus our number of protons is going to give us our number of neutrons. So Jordan, if I have a mass number of 12 and I have 6 protons, how many neutrons do I have for carbon 12?
6.
Yes, sir. What about how many neutrons do I have for carbon 13?
7.
Yes, sir, because 6 plus 7 gives you 13. And then how many neutrons do I have for carbon 14?
8.
Yes, sir, because 6 plus 8 gives you 14. So notice, they have the same, isotopes have the same number of protons, but they have a different number of neutrons. And what does that ultimately change? It changes the mass number. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this tutorial was awesome and great and understandable for you. And I'm Travis Spivey signing off, and my son
Jordan Spivey.
Peace. Have a good one.